He is not subject to change, because change implies that there is a deficiency in anything that is subject to change. It means it needs change. Change is a sign of being later. Nothing that is subsequent remains permanent. The only essence that is eternal is the essence of Allah. Therefore, it is not subject to change, because what has no beginning has no end. Because all perfection is from His essence, He has not gained any perfection from anyone. Therefore, it does not need change. Why? Because the perfection of His essence is permanent with His essence. The existence of His essence is fixed in such a way that He does not feel in need of any change. He does not need anything. But He has entrusted us with a being. And He has not made that being permanent. He has not made it perfect. Because I created man weak. He has commanded Himself. He has declared that we are weak, that we are mortal, that we are mortal. He has declared all these things. Since He has created us in this way, there is no way for us to be free from change. From the mother's womb, from attitude to attitude, He says, I have created you, I have shaped you from shape to shape. Now, a few years ago, my beard was not white. Now it is white. Will it get whiter? And it's not clear if you will live. Then you will become stiff. Your soul will be taken away. You will be like a coffin. So it's either a coffin or you hit the outside, knock, 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 hit you, knock, knock, knock. There is no movement left. The coffin's timber or you. Because why? From the dull blood in the womb, from a creature that stirs from a drop of water, from a creature that kicks its mother in the womb. Oh, you see it again when it enters the coffin. Knock, knock, knock. So there is a constant change. Then He says, I will resurrect him again, my beloved. Then He says, I will give him a kind of unchanging life. So He says He'll fix his age at 33 in heaven. He will fix it at 33. There will be no aging. There will be no old age. There will be no dying and so on. It's a kind of perfection there. Of course, it is a very big perfection compared to the world. So there will be constant change and there will be a transition. Don't you see the transition? From there, your body goes to the grave, to martyrdom. Wherever you're going, for example, to the Zincirlikuyu, a cemetery in Istanbul, then your soul either ascends to the ascension or descends to the Sijin, or is gathered in the well of Zamzam, or is raised in the well of Berahut. Then you are resurrected. Again in the judgment, transition, continuous transition. Either you are transitioned to paradise or hell. Allah forbid. But Allah is free from change and transition. If you don't know this, Allah forbid, you will become an infidel. If you don't know this, Allah forbid, you will become an infidel.